Did I add you?
Hey, Joyce! Oh, no, where are you at,
Okay,
Joyce?
I think I did it. You guys.
Where's Joyce?
Just laugh at me. Because I laugh.
Joyce, I know you're on here.
So if you laugh with
Joyce!
me.
Hey!
What's going on?
What's happening?
What's happening?
Michiganders in the house.
Yes, Michigan repping. That's my son-in-law's business called Michigan repping, but we're going to say that today. Michigan repping.
What's happening, Joyce?
Oh, nothing much. I'm just out here doing nothing, enjoying this beautiful day. And I saw your challenge. I said, I'm going to take Chris up on the challenge.
I should have said, hey, every 15 minutes, because everyone, I'm like, oh, no. Well, I got to take care of Joyce first thing. She's my number one in Michigan,
wow.
So what's happening, girl? Isn't it beautiful? It's sunny there. It's kind of cloudy here.
Oh, is it okay? I'm outside in the sun. First it was overcast, but now it's the sun is out and it's beautiful. So
well,
I'm just out here.
Let me tell you, Joyce, you look beautiful. The sunshine is glaring off you. And I know you're an angel, a passive angel. I'm so happy to know you joined that team. Anyone that's watching this, my name is Chris Johnson. This is my sister from another Mr. Joyce. And we're out here on Passive. I'm going to show up everywhere today. I want to help Joyce help build her team, get you in a passive. Oh my God, you have no idea.
Yes.
No idea. Tell them, Joyce. Tell them.
Yes, Onpassive is off the chain, you guys. We're like in a different country every single day. We're traveling the world without even getting on the plane or getting on the boat or the bus or anything else. So I'm loving this business. It's like it's changed the world. It's changed my life. I met my brother Chris.
Woo! Woo!
From another business. Like, yes. I love it. So, people are out here looking for things to do and looking for businesses. And I tell you what, I challenge you to even ask anybody that sees this about Onpassive. It will change your life tremendously. Believe me. You meet so many people, you do so many things, and we're just gonna have so many apples to share with the world.
You guys want change? Get back with Joyce, because she's definitely going to change your life with Onpassive. Guys, this is absolutely phenomenal what we're going to do. The CEO, Asmafura, has given us a absolute dream, a dream job. Imagine have to do and you're going to collect all kinds of apples. Nothing.
Yes, I love it.
I know.
Oh my God.
Hard to believe, but it's true and it's happening. You see myself, Joyce, we've got 808,000 founders right now. I think last time we must have signed up 4,000 people all over the world, and we are so excited. That's changing lives, people. Joyce wants to help you change your life.
Yes, I will. I'm loving it. It's like, you know what? And that's what we need. We need more people like Mr. Ashwafar in this world to change the world. But you know what? He had the vision. We jumped on, and we are doing it now. Like you said, 800,000 people.
808,000.
Oh my gosh, that's unheard of. Totally.
Hey.
It's off the chain.
Founder, get your sunblock on, because you're going places. We're
that's
the world.
Right.
And you know what's great about this? Joyce and I can jump on a plane and fly anywhere in the world, and we got a place to stay, because we have so many brothers and sisters in this world now. Awesome.
Yes. Awesome. In 212 countries, Chris, right?
Absolutely.
We can go anywhere.
Legal and registered, folks. Legal and registered.
Right. Registered to be an Onpassive founder, because when the founder position is done, it's over. There's no more.
Nope.
And we're in a place where it's like, you know what? We'll be able to live life.
Absolutely.
With no boundaries.
No boundaries. No boundaries.
No boundaries. No limits, right?
Joyce and I are going to be traveling on. We're going to we're definitely going to hit Mexico next year. That's for sure.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
We're going to be sitting on the beach, and guess what's happening? Residual income coming in.
Exactly. Right. Then when we're sleeping, it's still going to be coming in. Oh, I'm loving this. Yes. Oh, my gosh. This is so awesome.
Get with Joyce. Look at.
Yes, thank you.
Standers, wake up. Look at the auto factories right now are going down because of part shortages. We don't have part shortages in Onpassive.
We don't. Exactly. We don't have shortages in anything.
You know what we have shortages in? Time. Get your time back. Passive's going to get your time back.
Exactly. Yes.
Think about all the times you got to get up every morning at 4 a.m., go to a job you probably don't like, we found a job for you that you're going to love. You know why? Because they're going to let you do anything you want. And yeah. Whoa! How good is that? How good is that?
Exactly. That's it. I'm loving it, Chris. I'm loving it. Yes, I can't wait to be able to get to meet everybody, you know, in person. We're going to have like this huge Onpassive party that is going to be off the chain, I tell you.
You guys have no idea. You see us talking about this all the time, guys. This is real and happening. We just want to help you change your life. Get rid of the stress of money, bills.
That's right.
Onpassive's going to, hey, if you got kids getting ready to go to college, I definitely think you should get back with Joyce and get in this because it's going to help pay for that college, help
it
homes. Will. Oh my God. If I could trade 2 years of work just to do Onpassive, I wish I would have done it, but he didn't come out.
Right. That's it. I know.
Unbelievable. Look at the smile on Joyce's face. You know what that smile?
I know. It's like I've been this excited in a long time.
Yes.
It's like, you know, but it's something to be excited about because not only are we helping ourselves, but we're helping other people. So I mean, we're changing the world. It's like if you, like Chris said, if you have children going to college, if you have someone that's out of work in the industry right now, come over to Onpassive. Guess what you have to do? Absolutely nothing. You have to be able to push a button and say, okay, let's get it started.
Look at this. You see my dog, Belly?
Oh, yeah.
He's a founder. You know why? Because anybody can do this. I'm a proud founder. My name is Belly. Woo! Get in.
Exactly. He can do it.
Anybody, guys, if you're in a situation where you were hurt in an accident, guess what? You can do Onpassive.
You can do it for sure. Yes, you can.
So, Joyce, I'm going to jump on someone else's live. Thank you for doing this. I love you to death, my sister. And keep doing it.
Love you too, Chris. Thank you for jumping on.
Bye.
I will see you.
Bye.
I'll see you tonight on one of the videos. Bye. Bye. What's your dog's name?
Belly. Isabella.
Bye, Belly.
Who is that? Who is that?
Bye. Belly is so cute. He's handsome.
All right. I got to jump on.
Yeah,
I think they're calling me.
All right.
See you later, boy. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
I'll see you tonight. All right. Have a good one.
See ya.
See ya. Thanks, everybody, for joining. Hey, Barb. How are you? My sister. Oh, my gosh. Hey. Hey, Muhammad. How are you? You guys, this is just so awesome. I'm having so much fun. My friend Chris Johnson, thank you again. He is one of our council leaders, and he jumped on with me. So it was so exciting to be on a video with him. He gave me a challenge. So I decided to take the challenge and jump on the live. But however, you guys, that thing that we're talking about Onpassive is changing the world, is changing lives of people every single day. So, like I said, get back with me for sure. Hey, Mary. Hey, honey, I'm so sorry about your losses. Praying for you. Yes. You guys have an awesome day. Go out and love someone. Go out and hug someone. Go out and encourage someone today, because you never know what that next person is going through. Your smile, your hug, or your laugh just may be what they needed to get through the day. So you guys go out and make this day an awesome day. It is an awesome Friday afternoon. Woo! And like I said, I'm doing nothing. I'm just loving life, living life, and doing the best I can. God has been so good to me. He's blessed me so much. And just go out and be a blessing to someone else. Everybody have an awesome day. Be blessed. Be encouraged. And I will see you guys. And if I haven't said it lately, I love you. And I'm so happy that you're in my life and that just love each other. And you guys have a blessed and an awesome day. Take care. See you later. As Chris Johnson would say, hey, hey, hey. See you later, guys. Love you all.